All right, so this week is the first week of your computer science instruction in your science class. The topic of the first week is going to be an unplugged activity. And what unplugged means is that you are not using the computer to actually teach this lesson, but you are focusing on the conceptual ideas of computer science. If you look at the teacher instruction, I provide you a couple resources on here. For instance, you are going to show your students a lesson about what is computer science. Just a quick overview of what it is. It's a PowerPoint presentation that you can show your students to talk about the concept of computer science. The presentation looks like this, and again, it's in your packet as well with a link to get it on your computer. But what is computer science? You're going to talk to your kids about what they believe computer science is. Here's a video that kind of talks about the ideas of computer science and how it's used. The PowerPoint's designed for your students to have conversation, which I really like in a classroom, for your kids to have that conversation about what they believe computer science is and to share their answers out with the actual class. The next video is also talking about how computer science is affecting our world. Some people may know where computer science is being used. I mean, from energy to medicine, but even little things like fashion. Computer science is being used in multiple areas in the world that people don't really know about. And one of the biggest things that I like to talk about with our kids is how is computer science being used, and what is the benefits of learning it? You know, monetarily, it's doing very well. If you choose this for a career choice, this is something that students can use to start thinking about their careers in computer science. The unplugged activity is a really nice game or kind of competition that's called My Robotic Friends. With My Robotic Friends, I give you a video in your packet on what this lesson's about, but really it's teaching the kids the language and the verbiage of what coding is. But when students start to realize when they're working in these groups, they will realize that computer science is very concise and it's very literal. So the directions and everything they give to their robot needs to be clear. You can do this in a group of 3 to 4 students. You'll have a couple programmers who are going to give a program to a robot using these symbols right here, and you're going to have them actually stack cups in various designs. So here's the first one that's a beginner's level, and here you can see the students. They have given the robot the program, and the robot's going to do the program, follow the program, and stack the cups. This activity could take 30 to 45 minutes, just depending on how deep you want to go with it. But I think your students should walk away knowing how important computer science is and being literal with computer science. So it's a quick overview of what the first week's lesson is. Go through it. If you have any questions, please email me. But this is kind of how it's going to be.